out pretty soon so that they leave.
Yeah, I do too.
Man, my shooter is bad, dude. Bad. It stinks all night. Hey, at some point, I'm afraid I'm going to flush it, and it ain't going to go nowhere. And then we're going to sit here because there's nothing that we can do about it. When we get this thing home, man, me and you just need to go over every part of it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Start right here, and let's just check everything.
Reed's a guy who established his career in Russell Pro Stock, has run 500 inch Pro Stock in NHRA, and John Montalvo, the three-time Mount Pro Stock World Champion, multiple sanctioned bodies. Weekend was kind of marked by scuffling until he went 408 last night. The Black Magic clutches, 13 Mustang body Pro Stocker with every guy all around him goes on the course.
Tired, man. Real tired.
It's always going north.
Definitely ready to sleep in tomorrow. I bet you're ready to sleep in your own bed. I'm jealous.
So, Saturday here, obviously we didn't qualify last night. We were close, but so was everybody else. They said that this is the tightest and fastest 32 cars ever. And we're just on the outside. I believe that we qualified 42, something like that. And the difference between us and the bump was like 0.06, something like that. It's tight, man. That's what makes this so great out here, is how close all the racing is. And a reaction time is what separates the winners and the losers out here. So we still got a shot. We're going to make a pass today. We get the Chicago style race where everybody that didn't make it in gets to make a pass. And the 4 fastest cars have a shootout. So we're going to at least throw our name in the hat, go up there, make a pass. We made quite a bit of changes to the car again, and we're gonna shoot for 960 with a 60-foot or smoke the tires. I don't think it's too hot enough for the track to get greasy out there. It should take a 960. So we're gonna stick it to it and see what happens. That's all we can do at this point. If it smokes the tires, I'm not out anything anyways. So That's really all we got left. We're gonna go up there. We're gonna put a lot of power in it. Let go of the buttons.
Yeah, Camaro runs Ultra Street. He's won some big races at Ultra Street with his Camaro.
Hopefully, you guys didn't turn Scott Taylor's into a rocket ship like that.
Well, he's got wheelie bars on it, so he ought to be good.
Man, my wife gonna kill me if I didn't get your picture.
Oh man, it ain't worth getting killed over.
Let's hear it for Real American Beer real quick. The official beer of the Drag Illustrated Winter Series, the World Series of Pro Mod. I thought Hogan was going to be here. Pretty close.
All right, come on back. 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 Yeah. Come on back. Come on back. Right. Yeah. I mean, we just don't have a setup for the car in this weather, you know.
Hey, I was gonna let him, and then I heard him spooling up, and I went, oh.
Yeah.
Hey, and then the bump was just a lot. I was deep. Like,
Yeah. Yeah, it probably went 103 instead of one flat.
Yeah.
I mean, we went up on air. I went up a little bit on the bars. It just, we don't have a setup for that kind of track
this
to
time
go
of the
as fast
day,
as it needs to go.
This part of the day right here is when we'll probably start. Did he make it?
Oh yeah.
We probably, when we start changing weight and stuff like that,
We should have moved the weight to the
We should have moved the
back
weight. And I thought about that, just didn't pursue it. You know. Blake didn't make it, huh?
Oh, did he not?
His chutes aren't out.
Oh.
That's never a good idea. You know, it is what it is.
Yep. You want to stop and get the ticket?
Y'all still in? How's the car? Like it?
Yeah, it's
That class is pretty cool, man. I like it, and I'm damn sure not a bracket racer. I'm not any good at it, anyways.
The cheapest way to make 30 grand probably ever, but you got to put the car.
Yeah.
So you don't need it. You don't need a pretty good car. You got to be somewhat consistent.
It'll also help dial you in as a racer. Like, it took a lot of years for me to even try to cut a light because I'm not a bracket racer. All right, man. Well, good luck. Y'all take care. What you got, man? Oh! That's right.
If you look inside, it looks like a GTA. I don't know what it is.
Oh, you've never opened it. Nice.
It's a pro mod.
Did you get a picture sitting in the car?
No, I can't.
You can't get in it?
I have a cut on my leg like this big.
Ah, okay. Well, if you feel like getting in the car, man, go ahead. We took a shot at it, man. Hey, and it shook.
I went out there to get rid of some shit, so I didn't even
I mean, hell, we don't have the car lined out with good weather, let alone in the heat. You know what I mean? So we took a shot at it.
Hey, it's all me, bro.
We'll get it lined up.
Having fun, brother.
There's one in there that says learning to fly, and I'm like, where's Sean's picture?
I just want you to know Joe from Speedy Concrete wants a picture of you, him, and Phantom next to the car. So when he
Absolutely. That's right.
It looks like they're out there, so we got to get him off the track before we run these two up on him. Left-hand side, let me tell you a little bit about
So we went out for this second chance race. Let's be honest, we don't have a handle on this car in cool weather, no sun out, let alone in the heat of the day. We took a stab at it. We put quite a bit of power in the car, and we lost the tire. It is what it is. I said we're either going to go fast or we're going to lose the tire, and we lost the tire. So I'm not upset about it. To think that we were going to go out and do amazing in the heat when we're not even lined out would have been dumb anyway. So we took a stab at it. It didn't work. We'll get the car tested as soon as we leave here.
Where are you going to go?